I am going to install Minecraft on this Raspberry Pi, and it is completely free. Yes, you heard it correctly. It is completely free. Welcome back to my channel. Please do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Please do like the video if you enjoyed it. You need the basic gear, which is a Raspberry Pi, power supply, keyboard, mouse, and a monitor, and some cables to connect them. I am using Raspberry Pi 5 with 8 GB memory. You need a stable internet connection too. Once the Raspberry Pi is booted up, I SSH into it since we are in the same network. If you go to the Minecraft website, both Java and the Bedrock editions are there, and they are not free. That's why I'm going to choose the Minecraft Pi edition, which is of course a bit outdated, but it is completely free. Let's start the installation, and you can refer the description for the detailed steps as usual. Once the installation is completed, you get the confirmation of the same in the screen. Now let's launch the Minecraft on the Raspberry Pi. If you go to Accessories menu of the Raspberry Pi, you will get the Pi apps. Launch that, and inside it you will find the games. And inside the games you can see Minecraft and can launch it from there. You might be asked to restart, and after that, you will get the Minecraft on Pi. With that, you have successfully installed Minecraft on your Raspberry Pi for free. Then you can start playing Minecraft. With that, you can add your name and start playing Minecraft. You can either create one of your own, or you can join a local network. If you go to the creative mode, then it will start a new game. Welcome to the world of Minecraft. Let's play. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do share and let me know in the comment if you hit any challenges. See you soon in my next video.